Hey everyone, I'm Erica. I'm going to be showing you how to make Pinterest pins. So let's get started. Similar to these images are what we're going to be making right now. And the first thing you're going to need is this tool called Color Palette Generator by Canva. So you just type that into Google, Canva Color Palette Generator. Now it's going to open up to this page. So this is an image that I just added, but if you just select that, it's going to take you to a page similar to this one. Next, you want to go to Pixabay. Pixabay is where you can get free copyright images and to use for your blog posts, for Pinterest, for whatever you're doing online. So let's go ahead and type in the niche. So let's say I want images in the blogging niche. I can just go ahead and type that in there. So you can also try to find images. You can buy sizes. But for this tutorial, we can use any size that we want because we can resize it in Canva. So let's say you want to pick out an image. The right way is to find images that have a clear background in the middle, because that way you would be able to add in your text. So let's say I went for this one. Now it's going to be really simple and easier instead of adding in shapes. So I selected this image, which I already downloaded before this tutorial, but anyway, this is a perfect fit for what we're about to do. You can left click and save the image as, or you can click the free download icon to download it to your computer. Now you want to go back to the color palette generator and just click the upload image icon. Find it from your computer, and so that you can be able to get the colors that you want. So once you upload the image that you want to use, this is what this tool does. It pulls out the different colors from within the images so that you can copy the codes and use them as your text colors on the images. So I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to go back to Canva. For this tutorial, we want to use custom dimensions. I never use the Pinterest graphic. I create my own custom dimensions, and that usually use 564 pixels by 1,345 pixels. I find that they work best on Pinterest and they get a lot of clicks. So let's go to this page where I already uploaded the image. To upload your image, you just want to come down here and select uploads, click the green box in to upload the image to Canva itself. Once you've uploaded the image, you just want to click on it and drag it on here, rotate the image, and drag the edges out so that they fit the canvas itself. So yeah, this is how you fit the image. Once you're done, you just want to click outside the box. I'm going to delete that because I already did it. Now you want to go ahead and add your text. So let's go to text, this little text box on here, and just click on this and it is going to bring it on the image itself. So I'm going to add, 50 ways to make money. And I'm going to add another text box because I want two different fonts on this image. Okay, add the second one. And to make money online, and I'm gonna add a third font box in 2018 and beyond. Okay, so now that we have our text, we just want to position it to where we want it to be and just click on the text itself. You can come up here to change the fonts. Now I use specific fonts for my images. I always try to use the fonts and the colors so that people know that these images are from my site. So my text that I use is this, I don't know what it's called, but anyway, yeah, this is what I use. And then I bold it, change the size of it so that it is large enough. Okay, and then I want to change reduce the spacing in between the text. Go up and put it where I wanted to put it, want it to be. I'm speaking a lot of different kinds of English here, guys. Okay, 50 ways to make money online. I'm also going to change that font as well, and I like to use the engagement font. Okay, so I'm also gonna enlarge it online, and this is where I'm gonna change the color that we just picked out of the Canva color generator. So I'm gonna just select it and click on this little color button up here and just click the plus sign. Go down here and just paste in the color code that we grabbed off of there. So as you can see, the color here, it looks good and it corresponds with the image in the background. So I got that there already. In this, I also want to change the font. Okay, and I also want to increase the size, and I also want to bold it and decrease the line height. Just want to do this and that. Okay, and I think nope, that looks awful. Okay, in 2018 and beyond. Okay, and the last thing I do is I always add a little box at the end of the image here. Let me just enlarge that, and I add my blog URL. So let's go to Elements, select Shapes, and just grab one of these boxes at the top, and you want to resize it so that you can add your URL, and you drag it at the bottom and you center it. Then you want to go back to the color palette generator and you want to grab another color from within the image. I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to go back to the image itself and I'm going to change that color and just add the code that I copied off of there, paste it in there, and there you go. Now I want to go in there and get a text, so I'm going to get a subheading and I'm going to add start a mommy blog. Just go back in there, change the font, and I can bold it, and I'm just going to grab it and add it to this little box in there. So there you go. Now that you're done, you just want to go ahead and add your keywords in here. 50 ways to make money in 2018. Done. And you want to download it as a PNG file to your computer. Download. So once you download the image to your computer, you have two options. You could either go ahead and add it into your post, or you could save it directly to Pinterest using your blog post link, and it is going to grab all of the meta tags or the meta text from the blog post itself. That is, if your blog is set up as a business account and you have rich pins enabled. So I'm gonna do it that way because then I would have to edit this post, which it's gonna make this video really long. So let's go to the blog post, and I am gonna copy the URL. Just gonna copy that, and I'm gonna go to Pinterest, and I am just gonna upload a pin. So click on upload and go to downloads. So I'm going to type in 50 ways to make money in 2018. So I think that's the image that we just created. And by adding the URL of the post, it is going to drag in all of the meta tags, and yep, this is the image that we just created. So I'm just gonna add, okay, 50 ways to make money online in 2018 and beyond. I don't know if beyond is right, so let's go to work from home. I'm going to save that to my board called work from home. And let's go ahead and see the image itself. So this is how to make Pinterest images in here, because like I said, this is a rich pin. My blog is set up, has rich pins enabled. So as you can see, on top of the image, it pulled in the title of the blog post, and this is the image. Let me just reduce that so that you can see the image yourself. Okay, 50 ways to make money online in 2018 and beyond. So as you can see, we took exactly 10 minutes to create this awesome image, and like I said, it also pulled in all of the keywords that I set up on the blog itself. So this is how to make Pinterest pins from scratch yourself, and I hope this video helped. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. So let's go to my profile, and I just want you to see how the pin actually looks. There you have it. Really awesome pin. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay awesome as always.